Hello everyone. Today I want to share two very quick Hermes unboxings. The first item is a silk tie with the coeur chaine design. The open hearts add a bit of playfulness, but at a distance, the hearts are not that obvious for this twist on the classic striped tie. The second item is the dancing hearts tie. Again, the hearts add a bit of fun, but at a distance, this pattern just resembles a polka dot design. Both of these ties are 7 cm in width, which I consider to be on the narrower side. I really like the heart logo on the back of each tie. And on the hearts theme, I was also drawn to the Cheval en coeur, but not enough to purchase any of the colorways that I have seen. These silk ties from Hermes currently retail for $260 in the United States and $300 in Canada, which is $20–25 more expensive after the recent price increase at the beginning of January. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching.